Mm, so hello guys, today we're gonna see the Runge Kutta method in C++. I mean or C, you can change this to C very easily, so no problem in that one. So in Runge Kutta method we have two initial values, x0 and y0, and we have an interval or step size, that is h. Cool guys, that's what we know about Runge Kutta method, right? And we have a function. Then we will determine the different values for x. We will get different values of y, and the question will ask me a particular value of x for, and then we have to get the particular value of that y for that particular value of x. So to start this, we just started includes IOStream, std, continuous method, all of the headers that we want. Maybe I have put some unnecessary headers, but that doesn't matter. And then we describe the function float with x and y. This is the function, right? And this is the function here, that is x plus y square. Cool. The function is already written and done. I hope you understand it now. Now we start in the main function. Now we determine, like in Runge Kutta method, if you remember, we want 4 m1, m2, m3, m4, okay, with which we will determine the value of y, correct? So in float we determine the x0, which is the initial value of x, y0 initial value of y, and these are given, h is also given, and xz. Now what is xz? Xz is the up till which we want, or the last value of x, or for which value of x do you want, correct? And then m1, these are the constants or whatever you say it, m2, m3, m4, which are in the Runge Kutta methods equations, right? So first we ask the user to mention the x0, that is the initial value, and then we get it, we input it, and then we ask the user for y0 value, and then we y0, and then we ask the value to step size, then we get h, and last we ask mention up to which x you want, and we put it to xg. And the next one, this is very important, like n is equal to xg minus x0 by h. So this transform your h or step size to an version n, and we have also already defined n as an integer right there. Then we start a for loop, and it starts from I is equal to 1 to I is equal to n plus plus. But you see that n will be a good integer, and for h it is actually trying to convert h to an integer, because h is 0.1, so we have to go step side. Then for that we start this loop right now, and here do go the loop, and these are all the simple Runge Kutta method formulas, you can see. And then we get y0 from these m1, m2 values, and then we put x0 also. Now this x0 will get will quote the value that for x0 the value of y is y0, right? And then it will go again for loop, as it is for loop, so loop will continue again. They will get different values of m, and then we'll get different values m, then the loop will continue again up till this is equal to n, and that is when it will be n greater than equal to n, when we put all the h in there. When we completed our interval, like up to x, right? Because here you can say xg minus x0, it's already here x. Then it's all good. I mean, if you want to copy from me, you can copy it, because I made it through my all these things, so it might help you understanding it. And you can see I'll just this is x plus y square, right? And this is very what do we say, this is very important and popular. This x plus y square function is very important and popular, right? So we'll get here and check it if it is right. We'll see many in other YouTube videos, you will see many of it, which we'll try. So I will first initial value we put it as 0, and then we put it as 1, and then we put it as 0.1 is my interval h, and up to which value of x do you want, or which value of x do you want, whatever you say, we will put every value of x and y in our order, because we are taking it as an interval, right? So up till let's say 0.2 value we want, and you can see the answer is for 0.1 value of y is 1.11649, and for 0.2 y is 1.27356. so for 0.1 means for x is equal to 0.1, right? Now if you want to say mention it, there is no problem, we can just mention it, but we're not doing it right now. So yeah, that's the way it is. It's that easy. We'll run it again, and we'll do one thing change. If you want, you can change it, otherwise if you don't want to change it, it's also good. Okay, so we'll put one word up. Okay, so for we'll write x is equal to something, and we'll put the same value here, and out of the for loop we'll take it out of the for loop. Okay, I'm not saying I am taking this out of the for loop. We will put the same thing in here to put the x and y, the initial values of x and y. Okay, and for that one we'll put it here, paste. So we'll put the initial value of x 0 1 and y 0, which is nothing but the user whatever mentioned, the user mentioned is 0 and 1, right? So you can run this again. You see, we did nothing, we just put the x is equal to 0, the very initial values, the whatever the user puts, we'll see, let them see here, and then we have read that for x is equal to 0, and we'll just try to mention it again. So for 0 we get 1. Now this is 0 point, fuck, whatever, let's go to the next one. Here we go, 0 0, then for this one, then this is like 0.1, then which value of x do you need? We need up till 0. 0.2. So for x this one is 1, for 0.1 this one, for 0.2 this one. Very easy. We'll put up till 0.4. now we'll put everything, we'll see. For 0 we get 1, for 0.1, and then let's say we want till 0.8. look, we'll put till 0.8. Sandwich is the answer. So yeah, that's it for guys. Hope you like the video. I will copy it and put in the description box the code that is written in here, in case you want to copy it. Have a nice day.